Hey there pet lovers! Welcome back to my channel, Simple and Short. Today's video is about how to improve your pets' lives by giving them the care and attention they deserve. I'll share some essential tips to help you become a better pet parent and create a loving environment for your pets to thrive. Tip number 1, provide a balanced and nutritious diet. One of the most crucial aspects of pet care is ensuring that your pets get a well-balanced and nutritious diet. Depending on your pet's species and breed, you'll need to research the food types best suited for their nutritional needs. For example, dogs need a diet high in protein, while cats require a diet rich in fats and proteins. Make sure you choose high-quality pet food containing all the nutrients your pet needs to stay healthy. Tip number 2, keep your pet active and entertained. Just like humans, pets need regular exercise to stay fit and healthy. Set aside time each day to take your pet for a walk or play a game of fetch in the yard. You can also try indoor activities like hiding treats around the house for your pet to find or playing with toys to stimulate their minds. Keeping your pet active will improve their physical health and help them feel happy and content. Tip number 3, ensure proper grooming and hygiene. Grooming and hygiene are essential components of pet care that can greatly improve your pet's quality of life. Regular brushing, bathing, and nail trimming can prevent skin infections, matted fur, and other health issues. You should also clean your pet's ears, teeth, and eyes regularly to prevent the buildup of bacteria and tartar. Keeping your pet clean and well groomed will make them look and smell better and promote their overall health and well-being. Tip number 4, create a safe and comfortable living environment. Your pet's living environment is crucial to their quality of life. Make sure that their living space is clean, safe, and comfortable. Provide them with a cozy bed, toys, clean water, and food access. You should also ensure their living space is free of hazards such as toxic plants, sharp objects, and electrical cords. Creating a comfortable and secure living environment will help your pet feel happy, relaxed, and at ease. Tip number 5, schedule regular checkups with a veterinarian. Regular veterinary checkups are essential for maintaining your pet's health and preventing serious illnesses. Schedule regular appointments with your veterinarian to ensure that your pet is up to date on their vaccinations and receiving proper medical care. You should also discuss concerns or questions about your pet's health with your veterinarian. By staying on top of your pet's health, you can catch potential health issues early and ensure that your pet lives a long and healthy life. Well, that's it for today's video on how to care for your pets and improve their lives. By providing a balanced diet, keeping them active and entertained, ensuring proper grooming and hygiene, creating a safe and comfortable living environment, and scheduling regular checkups with a veterinarian, you can help your pets thrive and enjoy a happy and healthy life. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.